Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can pause the Instagram Reels while watching on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you basically want to pause Instagram Reels on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do. Now you might be thinking, if you open the Instagram app and go to the Reels option, you're scrolling through Reels, and whenever you want to, let's say, pause it, but you tap on it, it will instead get mute and unmute. So how do you pause a certain Reel on Instagram? Well, tapping it is not going to do the job. So to pause it, what you actually have to do is just long press and hold. So when you press and hold, as long as your finger is there on the screen, that particular Reel is actually going to get paused, as you'd be able to find here, just like this. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically pause Instagram Reels on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.